Let's talk about procrastination. Here is my transformation journey in 5 seconds. I used to be lazy. I used to not work even if it depended on my life and career. Basically, I used to procrastinate and sucked a lot, and now I don't. Plot twist. But in that journey, which was for the record longer than 5 seconds, I really had a big growth, yet following 4 simple and easy techniques. First technique, it's called the 3-2-1 rule, and it's actually very simple and very effective. The next time you're confronted with a task that you don't want to do, even by the slightest bit, you start counting down from 3. You go 3, 2, 1, and once you hit 1, you stop whatever you're doing and then finish that task. The only rules are that whatever it is has to be something that's possible, and it has to be something that you can do right then and right there at the moment. Let's say, for example, you just came home and you notice that the trash bin is full. Oh man, I should go and take out the trash. You know what? I'll do it after I check my email. Wait, stop. Take out the trash. 3, 2, 1, and you have to take out the trash. Now, the key to this trick is to make it into a habit. They say that it takes about 21 days to form a habit. However, in my personal experience, it didn't take any longer than about a week and a half for this trick to settle in. The key is to apply it to just about every single annoying task that you find throughout the day. Oh, the clothes are piling up. You wait, stop. Take out the clothes. 3, 2, 1, and do the laundry immediately, and make this into a lifestyle. Now on to the second technique. This is my favorite one, deadline. So in my school, we all have to write some assignments before every exam, which means I had to write a lot of papers. Now, when a normal student writes an assignment paper, they might spread the work out a little like this. So, you get started maybe a little slowly, but you get enough done in the first week that, with some heavier days later on, everything gets done. But then came my final year assignment, an assignment you're supposed to spend a month on. And I knew for a paper like that, my normal workflow was not an option. It was way too big a project. So I planned things out, and I decided I kind of had to go something like this. This is how the year would go. So I'd start off light, and I'd bump it up in the middle month, and then, at the end, I would get into the high gear, just like a little staircase. How hard could it be to walk up the stairs? No big deal, right? But then the funniest thing happened. Those first few months, they came and went, and I couldn't quite do stuff. So we had an awesome new revised plan. But then those middle months actually went by, and I didn't really write words, and so we were here. And then 2 months turned into 1 month, which turned into 2 weeks. And one day I woke up with 2 days until the deadline, still not having written a word. And so I did the only thing I could. I wrote 90 pages over 12 hours, pulling not 1 but 2 all-nighters that humans are not supposed to pull, sprinted across campus, and got it in just at the deadline. So this happened with me almost every single year of schooling. Then I came into knowing the term Parkinson's law. It is a principle stating that work expands to fill the time available for its completion. Essentially, in simple words, this means that if you give yourself a certain amount of time to complete a task, you're likely to use up all of that time, even if the task could have been completed more efficiently in a shorter period. Like what happened in my case, this concept made me realize the importance of setting deadlines and managing time effectively to avoid inefficiency and procrastination. And I follow this every single time. Set the bar low. I learned this trick after I got to know that, particularly in the times of pace and pressure. You don't set the big chunky tasks that you cannot achieve. So what you are going to do is spend some time setting small incremental steps. In fact, I call it incrementalism, so that you are certain to start gaining momentum. The enemy for starting tasks for all of us is the belief that we gotta whack it away in big chunks, but what I know is small success habits that are sustained over time create exponential results. Set small goals. Let's imagine you want to learn Japanese language. You don't know how to read or how to write. Are you going to go and start learning how to write in Japanese? No, you can't do that because it's impossible to attain that goal. Instead, what you are going to do here is you will learn 2 words to write and speak on day 1, and on day 2, you will learn 4 words to write and speak. What I am trying to say here is you just need to add weight of a feather, not of a brick. Day by day, week by week, month by month. If you add feather every single day in no time, you will stop procrastinating, and that's my word.